Bitfinex launches 36-month tokenized bond. Bitfinex Securities, a subsidiary of the Bitfinex cryptocurrency exchange, has announced the launch of a tokenized bond. This development represents a significant step in the convergence of traditional finance and the world of blockchain and digital assets. Bitfinex Securities announces tokenized bond launch. Bitfinex is gearing up to issue its first tokenized bonds this November. The bond, known as 2611, offers a 10% coupon rate and runs for 36 months. It's denominated in USD and issued by leading microfinance firm Mikro. Pic. Twitter.com/ReMLZLCTL. BuzzBeatHQ at MeliBuzz October 25, 2023. The newly introduced tokenized bond, named Alternative 2611, is a 36-month bond offering a 10% coupon rate with its denomination in Tether. Bitfinex Securities has disclosed that the tokenized asset is scheduled to be listed in November 2023. 2611 is issued by Mikro Kapital, a prominent global player in the microfinance sector. Bitfinex Securities explained that 2611 primarily assumes the risks related to the debts and equities of microfinance companies, small financial institutions, leasing firms, banks, and credit cooperatives. These financial entities provide their services to micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises and entrepreneurs across Italy, Romania, Moldova, and the emerging nations situated along the historic Silk Road network. Bitfinex noted that the tokenized bond would commence trading at a price of 100 USD with a minimum investment threshold of 125,000 USD. Furthermore, the allocation of securities follows a first-come, first-served approach. The distribution of securities will start approximately 1 week after the conclusion of the capital raising process, and the bonds will mature over 3 years starting from the day of issuance. In addition, the legal framework governing these securities is based on the laws of the Grand Duchy of Luxembourg. Mikro Kapital intends to issue 100,000 securitized 2611 tokens to raise a total of 10 million USD. However, 2611 is not available to individuals in the United States or any jurisdiction where the offer or sale of these tokens would be considered unlawful. Exciting! This is the first bond listed on Bitfinex Securities. A new era for capital raises through deep liquid markets and stock/fund markets has begun. Furthermore, $USD will become the underlying denomination asset of this new financial ecosystem. And yes, it leverages https://t:/xxj3.7xj. Paulo Ardoino at Paulo Ardoino October 25, 2023. Paulo Ardoino, the Chief Technology Officer of Bitfinex, described the introduction of the first tokenized bond on their securities platform as the advent of a new era for capital raising, one characterized by deep, liquid markets and stock/fund markets. Bitfinex Securities vision. Bitfinex Securities operates as a 24/7/365 platform with a mission to empower underserved companies in securing capital and expanding the horizons for investors in innovative financial products. Through Bitfinex Securities, businesses have the option to list their tokenized securities directly on the exchange or facilitate the trading of these securities through their capital raising platform. Furthermore, companies can allow their products to be transacted on exchanges and between wallets using technology similar to that employed for cryptocurrencies. This enables the tokenization of various assets, including debt and equity securities. Bitfinex Securities' decision to issue tokenized bonds is not just a symbolic gesture, it reflects a strategic understanding of the changing landscape of finance. By tapping into this emerging market, Bitfinex is positioning itself as a forward-thinking player in the blockchain and cryptocurrency ecosystems. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up in SRC equals https://simg. co/p/ml300 jpeg alt equals image class equals imgid equals newsletter pop-up img.